What's the meaning of booth? Booth. Booth.
Booth. Booth. The word booth can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, a booth is a small enclosed space or compartment used for a specific purpose, such as a voting booth, phone booth, or photo booth. It can also refer to a stall or kiosk at a fair or market where goods or services are sold. Additionally, it can be a temporary structure used at events or exhibitions for promotional or informational purposes. Overall, a booth is a versatile term that denotes a small and enclosed space with a specific function.